In this video, I'll try to make the KFC hot wings based on the recipe they revealed on Instagram. In a big bowl, add 10 grams of paprika powder. Grams of chili powder. 5 grams of garlic powder. 10 grams of chili flakes. 5 grams of salt, but 10 would be better. Mix the seasoning up thoroughly. Add 500 grams of chicken wings to the bowl. Coat the chicken wings with the seasoning. Add about 450 ml of buttermilk, which should be enough to cover the chicken wings. Cover the bowl with cling film and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Take a white tray and start with 400 grams of flour. And add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 10 grams of hot smoked paprika powder. 10 grams of chili powder. 5 grams of garlic powder. 5 grams of chili flakes. And lastly, 10 grams of salt. Mix it thoroughly so that every part of the crust gets evenly seasoned. Take the marinated chicken wings out of the fridge and put it in a sieve to shake out the excess marinade. Drop the chicken wings on the previously prepared flour mixture and scoop and lift it 7 times. After putting it in a sieve, place it in a big bowl with water for 3 seconds. Shake the excess water off and drop the chicken in the tray with flour mixture again. Scoop and lift it for 7 times again. Before frying the chicken wings, put the chicken wings in the sieve again and shake the excess flour off. Since I didn't want to waste the flour mixture that I still had enough of, I also tried frying strips of chicken breast. Place the fried chicken on a wire rack to keep them crispy.